Hello and welcome to FM Review. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and in today's video, I'll be going over the Neewer 3.5mm lapel microphone. And here we have it in the package. I will just turn it over and open this. I did order this from Amazon and it was $6.55. And to my surprise, I got 3 of these, so that's awesome. That's a bonus. And you can see each one of them in the bag. You have the 3.5mm connection, and you have the little microphone, as well as a little clip here that you can clip it onto your lapel or some type of shirt piece or garment. And here's what they look like when you get these out of the packaging. So if you take $6.55 and divide it by 3, you get a little bit over, or somewhere around $2 each for these. And here you have pretty much what it looks like. You do have a movable clip right here that slides up and down, and it is a spring-loaded clip that you would put on your shirt or something else. And you do have your cable. And now this cable is, I think they say, roughly 100 centimeters. Pretty long enough to where you can run it from your microphone or computer if you wanted to do it that way, and have it next to your mouth. And so the next thing I'll do is a sound test with this on my camera. Here is the notes that I have for this microphone, Neewer 3.5mm lapel microphone. It cost $6.55 at Amazon, and the cable length is 100 centimeters, and it does have a 3.5mm connection. This is a small compact design for hands-free use. And now I'm back to using my external microphone. Again, for $6.55, you do get 3 of these, and they are relatively good build, and they sound pretty good. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
That is a good question. Test 1 2. Test.